If chocolate is your favourite thing and you want to learn to make a dessert to impress your friends, then look no further than this Mars bar chocolate mousse. To make this dessert, you will need 2 Mars bars, which you'll want chopped into small pieces, 38 grams of milk chocolate or milk chocolate chips, 50 ml of double cream, 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 eggs for egg whites, 50 grams of caster sugar, and some things to decorate your mousse with. You'll also need a saucepan, a big spoon or spatula, a whisk, this can be a manual one or an electric whisk, some bowls, and some ramekins. This recipe makes about 4. Step 1. Add your double cream, chocolate, chopped Mars bars, and cocoa powder to your saucepan and melt on a low heat. And stir gently and continuously to combine all the ingredients. Step 2. Once melted, leave to cool for around 10 minutes, stirring occasionally so that a skin doesn't form on the top. Step 3. Separate your egg yolk from your egg whites like so and place them in a larger bowl ready to whisk. Whisk your egg whites until they form soft peaks. You can do this using a normal whisk, however again, I'm using my electric whisk because I am lazy. Step 4. Gradually add your caster sugar to your egg whites and whisk until it is all combined. Step 5. Fold 1/4 of your egg white and sugar mix into your chocolate mixture. You want to do this slowly and carefully so that you don't knock out any of the air. Then, fold in the rest of your mixture. Again, slowly and carefully. Step 6. Once your ingredients are combined, evenly pour the mixture into your ramekins. Warning, this may get a little messy. Step 7. Place your ramekins in the fridge to set for 4 hours or overnight. Step 8. Now, decorate your mousse with whatever you like. You can use sprinkles, more chocolate, or even some fruit peel. Here I've used whipped cream and honeycomb pieces to create a perfect finish.